Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. Today I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of how to use a washing machine. So the steps here are basically very simple. I'm going to be loading a load of white today. So you open the door from this direction. Other washers can open the door from the left, but this one particularly you open it from the right hand side. The groove is there, and some of the washing machines have the door handle from this point or anywhere on the right hand side of the door. So you open the washing machine like this, then you insert all of the clothing, as you can see right here, like this. Make sure all of this is inside, and that's just falling on the floor. Just put that in there, move that out. So all of the clothes are now in the washing machine. Now for the detergent, I've gone for 3, as you can see right here. Comfort, fabric softener, this, and some of this. So with the scent boosters, you take the cap out, open this up like this, just pour it simply into the cup holder right here, like this, then into the drum, just as like that. I will do another load of this as well. I'll do another one. In it goes. And now we close the door right here. And this is the detergent drawer right here on the left hand side of the machine, with the Persil non-bio powder. Looks like this. You get this by using the cup thing right here, or whatever you want to call it. You just simply put it in the left hand side of the detergent drawer right here on the left hand side. Do not put it in the pre-wash side or anywhere else. Just simply put it on the left hand side. I will do 2. Actually, I will put another one in like this. And there. Close that up. And now for the fabric softener. You take the cap off like this. I will do it off camera. Now with the fabric softener, you can do the 1 or 2 options. You can use this right here, or just simply tip the thing into the middle part where the fabric softener goes. This is for the final rinse. Push it up to the max line like that. And once you've got that all set up, you can close the detergent drawer like this. And now for the cycle options. Today I'm going to be doing the cotton cycle right here, which takes about 3 hours and 27 minutes. As you can see, the weight is there. So the options are available here. Temperature, range to cottons on this machine is up to 90 degrees, but today I'm going to have it at 40. Spin speed up to this machine is 1400. Of course, your machines at home will have different speed options, but this one, obviously mine here, is a maximum 1400. If you put reduce ironing on it though, it will reduce down the speed to when it suits comfortable. This one sets default to 800, but it goes up to 1200 for whatever reason. I won't do that. You got pre-wash, which basically is on the this side of the machine, in the detergent drawer. You got water and rinse plus, which basically adds more water and more rinse cycles. And you've got speed perfect as well, which basically minimizes the cycle down. So this will go on for a total of 3 hours and 27 minutes. Once you've got everything loaded up and you're happy with everything, then you press the start/reload button. And there we go. And that is a demonstration of how to use a washing machine at home. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.